Alright, hey everyone, this is gonna be an update to my range indicator tutorial. I got a reply here on my video with someone suggesting a better way of doing this, or a better way to work around the bug that I explained in my other video. So I'm just gonna go into my data editor and make a new map. And this is mainly, we're only going to be working in data editor now. I'm just going to place some marines and salads on the map for testing. So going back to the data editor, what he suggested was that we add a validator. So I'm here in the validators tab in data type, and I'm going to add an isMarine validator, and it's going to be a unit type validator. Alright, and all we need to set in here is the value, which is the unit that we're going to check this. So we set it to marine, and then we just go into actors, and just like last time, we add marine range actor type range, and it's going to be a weapon range, copy from, and we just take the seed tank range. If you're confused about what I'm doing here, then watch the other tutorial first, the range indicator and spell effects tutorial, where I do a workaround with triggers. So this is basically the same thing. We set the marine ghost rifle, and we go into the vents here, and we remove everything except for the orphan one. Then we add an event, and we're gonna use the select update local. Remember, the source here is a bug, so you can't pick the source. However, you can add a term, which is like a condition in an if statement. So this is when this will trigger. When any unit is selected locally, it will check whatever we have here in the term, and we take validate unit, and we use our isMarine validator that we added. isMarine, and what we're going to do is we're going to create it when it is marine, and then we're going to add another event. Once again, selection update local. We want to remove it once the marine is not selected anymore. Destroy, and we're going to add a validator. Once again, validate unit, isMarine. So as you can see there, we're done. Now this is working, and this is way easier than mucking around with triggers. It now also works with multiple selection and everything. So all we did was add a validator of unit type, and we set the value here to marine. So it will check if there is a marine that is selected, and if there are marines selected, it will return true. Here you can also see that we set it into the actor marine range. We set it into the events here. We have a selection update local, so when a unit is selected locally, it will check. It will run this isMarine validator, and it will see if that returns true. It will return true if there is a marine selected, and then it will create this actor. And once any selection is unselected, it will check it if it was a marine, and if it was, it will destroy it. So it's fairly simple, and we set this weapon just like in last tutorial. That's everything. This is going to be a really short tutorial, so let's go into the map and see how this works. So here we are in the game, and you can see when I select salads, there is no range indicator, and the marines have a range indicator. It even works with multiple selection as well. So it's way better than triggers to do it this way, and yeah, it's really good. Thanks to the guy who posted it. It's great when people post stuff like that in my videos. And yeah, I'm gonna leave the other video up because it shows how you can do workarounds with triggers if you should have any problems. So that's it.